Good afternoon, everyone. Happy end of semester. I'm Noah.
And I'm Levi. Welcome to the final week of Wolf TV. Here's the news for Thursday, December 16th.
The girls basketball team heads to Alamosa to compete in the ASU Varsity Classic. The tournament kicks off today and continues through Saturday. Let's wish them the best of luck while they are away.
The boys basketball team has a home game against Lincoln this Saturday in the Wolves' Den. C team begins at 9 a.m., JV tips off at 10:30, and varsity hits the court at noon. Come out and cheer on your Wolves.
Now we have a message from the Future Center about an online tool to help you with your financial aid applications. Here's Jolly with more.
Thanks. If you're like most of us, filling out the FAFSA and CASFA applications is difficult at best. Good news, there is an online tool to help. The virtual wizard takes you step by step through the entire FAFSA-CASFA application. If you find yourself stuck, save your progress and connect with the Future Center for help.
Now here's Mr. Yunko with the holiday bad dad joke that is sure to slay you. Get it? Slay?
Hey Westy, do you ever wonder why birds actually fly during the winter, go to the south? That's because it's too far to walk. Good luck on your finals, Westy, and have a good winter break.
It's so bad.
Are you looking to join a spirit club?
And we have a club just for you.
So be a part of the hype and support our student athletes.
So join us on our next meeting on January 5th from 2:30 to 3 in the library. See you there.
Seniors, are you financially ready for your education after high school? If you are like most of us, you could use some help in this area. WPS District Foundation intern Rachel Alvarez is here to share her story about how they helped her with her education.
Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm very excited to be back as a scholar to help students like me with the financial need and motivation to pursue post-secondary plans. What helped me to be able to finish this application was the support from KZ to apply and the fact that I knew a scholarship like this could help me immensely well in school. Not only for the money, but because of the support and guidance I continue to receive from the foundation. I'm usually in the Future Center working with students from 1 to 4, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So don't hesitate to ask either me or KZ for help starting your application. Again, please visit www.fundwps.org to get started.
Have you ever wanted to watch small robots play Quidditch? If so, you are our kind of person. Come out on Saturday, January 8th to the Wolves' Den to watch the Westy Drone Soccer team put on an exhibition of this rapidly growing sport with the U.S. Drone Soccer League. This incredible event will kick off at 4:30 and you can watch all of the fast-flying, hard-hitting, and high-scoring action.
Now let's take a brief moment to honor our Alpha Wolves this month from the last 2 weeks. Freshman Efren Martinez Mendez is being honored for leadership. Sophomore Leslie Ramos de la Rosa was selected for perseverance. Junior Sage Rivas is being recognized for honor. Senior Tommy Kennedy is being honored for leadership. Counselor Miss Julie Maloney was selected for achievement, and IB teacher Mr. Jeff Dennis is being recognized for achievement. Congratulations to all of our new Alpha Wolves.
Now, here's today's word of the day, jovial. Before we go, we want to give a special thank you to Principal Kit for our amazing new Wolf TV shirts.
That's right, we think they look amazing and we will wear them with pride for years to come. Thank you, Ms. Kiewit, from all of us at Wolf TV.
I'm Noah, and that's it for today's Wolf TV. We hope you have an amazing winter break that is filled with holiday spirit, great food, and plenty of rest. Be sure to swaddle up and stay warm.
And I'm Levi. Thank you for a great semester. Happy holidays from the Wolf TV crew. Have a great day, and until next time.